Cultivating Forgiveness in Relationships. Welcome to Secrets of a Successful Relationship, the YouTube channel where we dive into the intricacies of maintaining a healthy and thriving partnership. In today's video, we will explore the art of cultivating forgiveness in relationships. Join us as we discuss how forgiveness can transform conflicts into connections, the power of practicing empathy, and the importance of letting go of resentment. Stay tuned to learn how apologizing can restore trust and strengthen bonds, as well as how building a foundation of forgiveness can sustain love and harmony in your relationship. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up to support our mission of creating healthy and successful relationships. Let's get started. The power of forgiveness, transforming conflict into connection. Researchers have found that forgiveness plays a crucial role in repairing relationships that have been strained by conflict. By choosing forgiveness, individuals can break free from the cycle of resentment and anger, paving the way for healing and reconciliation. It allows for a shift in perspective, enabling individuals to see the humanity in one another despite past hurts. This transformation from conflict to connection is not only beneficial for the individuals involved but also has a ripple effect on their broader relationships and communities. Forgiveness is not a sign of weakness, as some may perceive it, but rather an act of strength and courage. It requires vulnerability and empathy, as individuals must confront their pain and choose to let go of the desire for revenge. In this process, forgiveness takes on a transformative power, creating space for compassion and understanding to flourish. It is through this act of forgiveness that individuals can break down emotional barriers and rebuild bridges that were once thought to be irreparably damaged. The decision to forgive is a personal one and does not condone or excuse the behavior that led to the conflict. Instead, it is a conscious choice to release the negative emotions that can hold individuals captive to their past suffering. By embracing forgiveness, individuals can experience a sense of liberation and empowerment, reclaiming control over their emotional well-being. This shift in mindset can lead to richer, more meaningful relationships built on trust, respect, and shared humanity. Practicing empathy, the key to forgiving and healing. Empathy lies at the heart of the forgiveness process, as it allows individuals to step into the shoes of others, understanding their perspectives and motivations. By practicing empathy, individuals can cultivate a deeper sense of connection and compassion, breaking down walls of resentment and fostering understanding. Studies have shown that empathy can enhance conflict resolution skills and increase the likelihood of forgiveness in relationships, leading to greater emotional healing and personal growth. When individuals practice empathy, they create a space for open communication and vulnerability, which are essential components of the forgiveness journey. Empathy enables individuals to move beyond their own pain and grievances, acknowledging the humanity of others and recognizing their capacity for mistakes and growth. This shift in perspective can be transformative, paving the way for forgiveness and reconciliation in even the most challenging of circumstances. Moreover, empathy is a skill that can be nurtured and developed through intentional practice. By actively listening to others, seeking to understand their emotions and experiences, and engaging in perspective-taking exercises, individuals can enhance their empathetic abilities. This process of empathetic growth can not only benefit personal relationships but also contribute to a more compassionate and harmonious society at large. Ultimately, empathy serves as a bridge to forgiveness and healing, allowing individuals to move forward with grace, understanding, and resilience. Letting go of resentment, liberating yourself and your relationship. Resentment can be a heavy burden to carry in any relationship, weighing down individuals with negative emotions and hindering the potential for growth and connection. By letting go of resentment, individuals can free themselves from the cycle of bitterness and resentment, opening up space for healing and transformation. Research shows that holding on to resentment can have detrimental effects on mental and physical health, including increased stress levels, lowered immunity, and heightened risk of cardiovascular issues. Letting go of resentment is not about condoning or forgetting past wrongs but rather about releasing the emotional grip that these negative experiences have on individuals. It involves acknowledging the pain and hurt caused by others while making a conscious choice to focus on one's own well-being and growth. Studies have found that practicing forgiveness and releasing resentment can lead to increased levels of happiness, improved quality of relationships, and greater overall life satisfaction. One of the key benefits of letting go of resentment is the liberation it brings to individuals and their relationships. When individuals release the burden of resentment, they create space for positive emotions such as compassion, understanding, and empathy to flourish. This renewed emotional landscape can pave the way for deeper connections, increased intimacy, and more effective conflict resolution strategies within relationships. By letting go of resentment, individuals can reclaim their agency and empower themselves to shape the narrative of their relationships with grace and resilience. The art of apologizing, restoring trust and strengthening bonds. Apologizing is a skill that holds immense power in restoring trust, healing wounds, and strengthening the bonds between individuals in a relationship. A sincere apology involves taking responsibility for one's actions, expressing genuine remorse, and demonstrating a commitment to change. Research has shown that a well-executed apology can not only mend feelings of hurt but also elevate the level of trust and intimacy within relationships. It serves as a vital tool in conflict resolution and paves the way for healthier communication patterns. The art of apologizing goes beyond mere words. It involves a genuine understanding of the impact of one's actions on others and a willingness to make amends. Studies indicate that individuals who receive sincere apologies are more likely to forgive and move forward in their relationships, leading to increased levels of satisfaction and stability. Apologizing requires vulnerability and humility, qualities that foster empathy and understanding between individuals. An effective apology is characterized by its authenticity, timeliness, and specificity. It requires individuals to communicate their remorse in a clear and direct manner, acknowledging the specific harm caused and outlining steps to prevent its recurrence. When done thoughtfully and sincerely, apologizing can serve as a powerful catalyst for growth and emotional healing within relationships. It can create opportunities for open dialogue, increased mutual respect, and a deeper sense of connection between individuals. Building a foundation of forgiveness, sustaining love and harmony in relationships. Forgiveness plays a fundamental role in sustaining love and harmony within relationships. It involves letting go of resentment, anger, and past grievances to create space for healing and growth. Studies have shown that couples who practice forgiveness experience greater relationship satisfaction, emotional well-being, and longevity. Forgiveness allows individuals to release emotional burdens, resolve conflicts, and move forward with renewed empathy and understanding. Building a foundation of forgiveness requires cultivating empathy, compassion, and patience. It involves acknowledging the humanity in oneself and others, recognizing that imperfections and mistakes are a natural part of the human experience. Research suggests that forgiveness is linked to lower levels of anxiety, stress, and depression in relationships, as it fosters a sense of emotional security and trust. Forgiveness is a process that unfolds over time and requires active engagement from both parties involved. It involves a willingness to communicate openly, listen attentively, and work collaboratively towards resolution. Practicing forgiveness invites vulnerability and courage, qualities that lay the groundwork for deeper emotional connection and intimacy within relationships. It offers the opportunity for individuals to learn from past conflicts, strengthen their emotional resilience, and nurture a sense of shared purpose and commitment. Forgiveness is not synonymous with forgetting or condoning harmful behavior. Instead, it is about choosing to release the negative emotional grip that past transgressions hold and reframing the narrative towards healing and reconciliation. Cultivating a culture of forgiveness within relationships can have far-reaching benefits, including improved communication, conflict resolution, and a greater sense of emotional closeness and mutual support. Cultivating forgiveness in relationships. If you found these insights on cultivating forgiveness insightful, be sure to check out our other videos on secrets of a successful relationship. Discover more ways to nurture a healthy and thriving partnership by subscribing to our channel and liking this video. Join us on this journey towards creating successful and fulfilling relationships.